Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about link to other notes or sections in OneNote. To make finding relevant content easier, you can add links to other notes and sections in your OneNote notes. When someone clicks a link in your note, OneNote will take them to that note to add an internal link in your notes. Right click the text you want to add a link to, and choose link from the menu that opens. Select the item you would like to add a link for on the link window. Then choose OK. At the bottom of the window to finish adding your link. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.